Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for 2022 kitchen cleaning, the OXO Good Grips Kitchen Appliance Cleaning Set. If you're serious about keeping your kitchen spotless, this set promises to be your new best friend. Let's start with what makes this set so special. It's designed for deep, detailed cleaning of kitchen appliances and hard-to-reach spaces. Whether you're tackling blender blades, juicer parts, or even grout lines and fixtures, this set has you covered. Each tool features durable bristles and scraper heads, ensuring a thorough clean without scratching surfaces. What sets the OXO Good Grips set apart? It's the attention to detail and the thoughtful design. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making prolonged cleaning sessions much easier. Plus, the quality nylon bristles ensure longevity, so you're investing in tools that will last. Beyond the kitchen, these tools are versatile enough to use on various surfaces. From your car interior to children's toys, and even on the soles of your shoes, the OXO Good Grips set proves its worth outside the kitchen as well. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen cleaning arsenal in 2022, the OXO Good Grips Kitchen Appliance Cleaning Set is a no-brainer. Its effective cleaning capabilities, ergonomic design, and rave reviews make it a standout product. That wraps up our review of the OXO Good Grips Kitchen Appliance Cleaning Set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay clean and stay tuned to Product Critique.